Hey guys, it's me, Dragonic Kaiser, and today I have a 2 booster pack opening of Aquaforce Clan booster and G-BT02. That's my friend. So let's get started on this first pack. So yeah, my friends are playing. Hopefully we get something good. So let's get the paper out. No points. There's another friend respawning. So the first pack we have Pencil Cola, some RP, Aquaforce, and a single rare. Great nature. Great nature. So let's go back to the facts. So we have Pencil Cola. Geonite, Critical Trigger from Great Nature, yeah, Sailor, and some Professor Crab. Yeah, so let's open on this pack. Wait lah. No point. No freaking point.
It's good right to SP.
First card, Aquaforce.
Of course it's Aquaforce, you clan booster.
I know.
Create a stand.
Or you first
Alternate.
Oh my gosh. Nothing. Yeah, nothing. So thanks for watching and goodbye.